MF Travels presents Room Tour.
Welcome to the inn at Mission San Juan Capistrano. Let's take a room tour of the inn at Mission San Juan Capistrano. First up, we got the bathroom. That's how it looks like. The sink. It's me right there. This one's 2 queens. They've got some wine for you here. This is they provide a robe, extra stuff, iron, umbrella, and some coffee right there, and bench, 2 queens. That's the control of the air conditioner. And this is my view for today. Has mountain view, rooftop view, and I do have the TV here. Check it out. Let's turn it on. I'll be here for a couple of nights for a conference. So, life's good. This is a bench for work. And that's how it looks like from this perspective. Okay. Well, that's the room tour. Let me know if you have any questions. Comment down below. And we'll see you on the next room tour. Peace out.
Book your travels with MF Travels.